Do you use Pinterest as part of your marketing strategy for your blog or business? Well, if you do, you're going to want to stay on this one because I'm going to show you how to find the best keywords to help your pins get seen, which equals more views, more clicks, and more saves. So my name is Jen Tokenyuk. I'm your digital CEO, and today I'm starting right here inside of my Pinterest account. Today I created a new pin, as I do every single day. Lately, my strategy has been 2 to 3 new pins a day to keep up with the Pinterest algorithm changes that have happened over the last month or so. If you're struggling with Pinterest, if your views are tanking and you don't know why, head over to my blog because I've got a lot of new information on there that can definitely help you, and the link is down in the comments. So for today, I was creating a brand new pin about affiliate marketing. And just to be clear, when I say that I'm creating 2 to 3 new pin images a day, that doesn't mean that I'm creating 2 to 3 new blog posts a day. That would be crazy. What I am doing is I am optimizing the blog posts I have by creating new fresh images so that I can keep my content fresh on Pinterest all the time. So to find the best keywords for Pinterest, you don't need a keyword research tool. You don't need to buy anything special. Pinterest gives you everything you need. All you have to do is go to this little magnifying glass up here, which is the Pinterest search bar. So when you go to the Pinterest search bar, what you're going to do is you're going to start by typing in the broad topic that you're writing about. And for me today, that was affiliate marketing. So I'm actually going to type it in here because what I want you to see is that Pinterest starts auto-suggesting keywords that are very relevant, that are being searched right now, that are trending on Pinterest. So as you start typing in affiliate marketing, it's going to give you some suggestions here. Affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing on Pinterest, affiliate marketing programs. These are all relevant keywords that Pinterest is giving you that are being searched right now. So write those down if you were writing about affiliate marketing. So that's the first place you're going to look for keywords. The second place is you're actually going to go to the broad keyword. Now Pinterest is going to start suggesting these like keyword strings to put onto the end of your keywords. So they're very similar to the ones that we were seeing before. Affiliate marketing for beginners, you can see, is right here. On Pinterest is right here. Without a blog is right here. Programs is right here. So you're going to see a lot of the same ones. You'll see which ones are the biggest ones right now. And then you're going to find a whole bunch more by being able to click over here, and it'll keep going across. So write down the ones that are most relevant to your topic, because especially if you're new on Pinterest or your account is smaller, it's going to be really hard for you to rank for something like affiliate marketing and be up here above the fold in this top section. But if you do something that's a little bit more niche, like affiliate marketing for beginners without a blog, you might find that you have a little bit more luck with that. So I'm really glad that I clicked on this, because another way to really niche this down is if you type something like this, and you go into this broader or more niche, less broad term, what you'll find is that there's no more of these little suggest bars on here. But sometimes, and it didn't happen this time because that would have been too easy, it will give you more terms even though there's no bars here. So I had tried this earlier, and let's see. I had done affiliate marketing for bloggers, and then see how there's no bars up here, but now I can find affiliate marketing for travel bloggers, for food bloggers, for mom bloggers, other, keyword strings that I might not have thought of myself, but we can see that they're being searched and, that they're trending right now, even though there's no little bars right here. Okay. Now, another place that you're going to find keywords, and they sometimes can be exactly the same ones, but sometimes they're not, is if you scroll down through the content, sometimes it will give you a whole section of keyword strings in a bar. And if it doesn't do it on this one, I know exactly where it will do it, which was on affiliate marketing by itself. Here, that way I can show you what it looks like. And there's also photos of all of this on my blog if you want to head over there for the full post on this, but if you scroll down, what it's going to do eventually is it's going to give me, again, it's going to be similar to these, but sometimes you'll find one that's a little bit different as you go down. So it's going to suggest other things for you to take a look at as you scroll. There it is. So affiliate marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing on Pinterest, affiliate marketing tips, which is over here, affiliate marketing for bloggers here. So this one didn't give me anything different than what I found up top, but it's still very valuable to look at if they give it to you. Okay. So this is the best way to find keywords. I mean, obviously you can go through and you can search your competition and you can see what they're typing. But, you know, a lot of times I find that some of the pins that are on top have just been on Pinterest a really long time. What's being seen right now a lot is that the most popular pins on Pinterest are about 30 weeks old. And, you know, some people did a really good job of keyword research, and some people, you know, just got lucky and had a viral pin and it's been on there for a really long time. So where are you going to use your keywords? Okay. So you're going to use your keywords in your title. You're going to use them in your pin description. You're going to use them in hashtags, which, yes, they are still relevant and they're not just for Instagram. People still search hashtags in the Pinterest search bar. So a lot of times when your account is really new, you might be able to rank for a hashtag that you're not ranking for, you know, without the hashtag itself, but it can give your pin a boost. So sometimes you'll find that these are completely different ones than before. And I know when my account was brand new, I was ranking for keywords with hashtags before I was ranking for those same keywords without the hashtags. Okay. But you can see that, you know, the hashtags do work. This is an older pin. She's got a lot of followers, but I can promise you that those do work. The other places you want to use these these keywords is inside your actual pin itself. So Pinterest can read your pins. It can actually read the words that are written on them, as well as the file title of the pin that you uploaded to Pinterest. So make sure, if you really want to optimize for Pinterest SEO, that you are naming your files when you create them, whether that's in Canva or Relay That or wherever you're making your pins nowadays. When you save those to your computer to either upload to Pinterest or to your blog, make sure that you're saving them using keywords that you're planning to use on Pinterest. It'll give your pins an extra boost. And it's just one more correlation where Pinterest can go, you know what? I see the title, I see the hashtags, I see the description, even, you know, the file name has the right keywords. It really, really, you know, strengthens your content in Pinterest eyes when you do that. Okay. So it can read your words actually on your pins, which is kind of interesting. Normally, I'm not a big fan of using script fonts, and you'll find that in my blog post saying, don't use script fonts, but this one was easy to read, and I think it'll be just fine. Just make sure that you can read them, because Pinterest needs to read them to really strengthen up your SEO, okay? Another place to use your keywords is you want to make sure that you pin your pin the very first time it appears on Pinterest to the most relevant board possible, which means that that board has a board title that is SEO optimized for the topic that you're pinning, and that you have, you know, created a good pin description with those same keywords. Now you'll see that my blog board has hashtags. Those are deprecated. They don't do anything for you anymore. I haven't quite figured out if it's a good idea for you to go in and change a board description and take them out. I haven't had any trouble with this board. It gets a lot of visibility. So if it's not broken, I'm not going to fix it. But as you are creating new boards, don't use hashtags. Use that space to put in more keyword terms that could relate to, you know, the type of content you plan to pin to it. Because my affiliate marketing tip board, You know, it's got almost 2,000 followers. Things that I pin here do really well. And so, you know, I tried to use those same affiliate, you know, hashtags and not that you want to use hashtags. I keep saying hashtags, but the same keywords that we found over here when we were looking at keywords. And I think I already got out of there, but those same terms that we were looking at before are there, I promise you. So for beginners on Pinterest without a blog, for bloggers, okay, you're going to see that kind of stuff in here for bloggers. And when you're writing your descriptions, write them in human words, because again, Pinterest can read this stuff. They really don't like you to keyword stuff, which means like instead of saying make money with affiliate marketing programs for bloggers, if I had said make money affiliate marketing programs, you want it to sound like a human wrote it, not like some sort of a bot. Spam has been such an issue on Pinterest lately, and they've had a little issue where they've been like a little overzealous in flagging accounts as being spam. So do everything that you can so that you look like a human on Pinterest. And so that goes for your board titles, your board descriptions, your pin titles, your pin descriptions, everything except for hashtags, because you have to look like a robot when you use those. So I hope that you picked up all 7 places to use your new Pinterest keywords, and that you figured out something new today as to how to optimize your pins and your boards in your account for more visibility, more clicks, and more blog traffic. So this is Jen Tokeniuk, Digital CEO, signing off. Make sure to head over to my blog post if you want any more information. I've got this all laid out, and hope you guys have an amazing day.